The technology, and specifically the use of the cell phone, helps us to facilitate tasks in the daily life. However, it is important to consider some tips so that these important communication devices do not affect our health. To minimize exposure to radiation, the phone tries to reduce the time on call or increase the use of auriculars. Avoid receiving calls when you are using metal objects or when you have wet hair. These two conditions cause the radio frequency waves to transmit faster, which can cause brain tumors to contract. In a possible, try not to keep your cell phone on in the pocket of the pants or shirt. This causes fertility problems and problems in the heart. Avoid using the cell phone at an early age, as children are more sensitive to suffering negative health conditions. Do not use the phone close to the eyes. The phone generates a lot of blue light. This overexposure can generate fatigue, visual stress, and can cause premature death or retinal cells. Clean and disinfect your phone periodically, because it can have up to 10,000 germs per square centimeter.